In this video, I'm going to be installing the SCHLAGE, however you say it, electronic deadbolts with the keypad. So this is one of those smart keypads or deadbolts that you can control it anywhere from your smartphone. I've installed one of these before. It uses Z-Wave technology. This is the second one that I bought because I really like the functionality of the last one. It integrates with Ring alarm systems and probably a bunch of other systems. And you can actually use the keypad on your door to arm and disable your alarm system, which I think is pretty cool, rather than having to go through your front door and then run to find the keypad in your home to disarm it. It literally does it from the keypad. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, how you can maybe find it for a good deal, and then we'll get to installing it and setting it up. All right, so if you guys want to find a good deal on this, I got this one off of eBay. You can a lot of times find open box specials. The last one that I bought, I actually got for a huge discount because it was missing the key, and I never used the key in the 3 years that I owned it because it was all electronic. But that's what it looks like. It's got the aged bronze on it. And then here is the hardware. You can see the keypad. So it comes in a few different colors, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So there's a keypad. And I paid about $100 for this, if you guys are wondering. And I think it retails for 200 and something. So here is the motor portion. So this gets mounted inside your home. And the plate for it. And obviously this goes on the outside. So it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Kind of just mounts the way a traditional deadbolt would with the two screws that go through it. And you can, I don't think I installed a top screw last time when I did this. So you can opt to install an additional screw up top, but I don't think I did last time. So pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys quickly how I do it. But it's, like I said, if you ever change deadbolt, it's gonna be the exact same, except there's gonna be wire passing through it. Okay, so here we go. Standard deadbolt, just with your 2 Phillips screws. So install is gonna be fairly straightforward. You're gonna put your new lock cylinder in there. You're gonna pass the wire through with the keypad through the front, and on the back side we're going to put our plate and our 2 screws that hold it in place over here. Install our screws in the actual deadbolt. Next up, take a picture of your serial number or QR code so that you actually have access to this thing. And on the back of your unit you'll also have a serial number and a programming code, so make sure you take pictures of that. And with the wire plugged in, you're going to route it down through here to the bottom. And then we are going to insert the lock onto this post right here. And everything will fit over top like that. And you're going to put in your 2 screws that secure the motor. Next up, we'll put our batteries into the battery holder. So it's all AA's. And then we'll slide our battery pack in and we'll connect it on top. All right, so it is installed. I just want to show you guys and tell you guys a little tip because I was having issues at first. When I first installed the deadbolt on the back, this locked portion, it wouldn't turn. It was like stuck. And then when I connected the battery, this thing freaked out and started beeping. So what they actually had me do was take off the power lead and then hold this SCHLAGE button on the front. And then they had me reconnect the power lead while holding that SCHLAGE button, and then a green light appeared and then went away, and it reset the unit. And then once you push the lock button, it relearned everything. So if you have that issue where this seems like it's stuck and it's in a weird position, that is the relearn procedure, which I might make a completely separate video on because I didn't see anywhere how to do that. And now this thing works as it's supposed to. This is locked, this is unlocked. And now let's get to the programming part. Okay, so that's the installation, you guys. This thing works awesome. Like I said, you can go ahead and to lock it, you simply push this and then unlock it. You obviously put in your passcode and it unlocks it. And you also have the key function. So I'm super happy with it. Like I said, this is my second one. Highly recommend it. So if you guys like this video, I'm gonna be doing subsequent videos on how to connect this lock using the Z-Wave technology to some other devices. So you can go ahead and connect it to a smart home or a hub, and then it'll work on your devices remotely. So you do need a home kit or hub for it to work on your devices. It won't just connect through an app. So you do have to have that hardware, but I'll show you guys that on the next video if you guys are interested, or I'll link it above here. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you like this type of content. We'll catch you guys on the next video.